Now, the idea, I mean, Trump has never talked about an end to democracy, but Marco Rubio has said there are three phases: stability, recovery, and then transition. And I would like to say stability, there is stability now. The reason why there's stability now is because there's extreme repression. I mean, it's the stability of a cemetery, right? It's because we are oppressed that they are happy that it's stable, right? So it's not a solution to any problem. Second, recovery. I would argue that there cannot be recovery without rights. The collapse of the Venezuelan economy, which is the largest collapse in human history, in recorded human history outside of wars. The GDP fell 75% since Maduro took over, essentially. And it means we were 4 times richer than we are now. Just for numbers, the US Great Depression was a fall of 29%. So this is 75. So 8 million people left the country. So if you try to grow the economy, well, there are no rights, property rights, for example, but there are no people. The human capital of the country left. And the human capital of the country is not going to go back in a situation where there are no rights. So I don't think that you can recover the economy without establishing rights, because it's the lack of rights that collapsed the economy. And our colleague is going to tell us about oil, but oil is a long-term investment proposition. It's not a quick thing, right? And the first thing that oil companies want to do is, what is the framework for them to invest? And the framework right now says it's illegal to invest. I mean, you have to partner with PDVSA, and PDVSA is broke. So you have to change the law. Who changes the law? The National Assembly is illegitimate. Nobody recognizes it. We don't recognize it. And then the president is, I don't know, unconstitutional. So who's going to sign a contract to get into Venezuela where their property rights are so questionable? So I don't think there's going to be a major oil recovery, but Venezuela can recover very dramatically if you send a signal to Venezuelans that it's time to go back home. And right now, it's not time to go back home. Recovery will come the day, if you want the canary in the mine, is when Venezuelans say, we can go home.
Thank you very, very